The everlasting flow, an introduction to the water cycle. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is in constant motion. It flows within a continuous loop, connecting the sky above with the land and seas below. This is the water cycle, an endless journey of transformation and renewal. The water cycle consists of 4 main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. These stages are interconnected, each one flowing seamlessly into the next. Understanding the water cycle is crucial as it governs our weather patterns, shapes our landscapes, and sustains all life on Earth. Join us as we journey with water on its never-ending adventure. The sun's embrace, evaporation, and the water cycle's beginning. Our journey begins with the sun, the driving force behind evaporation. As the sun bathes the Earth in its warmth, liquid water absorbs this energy and transforms into water vapor. Evaporation occurs wherever there is water, from vast oceans and lakes to puddles and even droplets clinging to leaves. The warmer the temperature, the faster the evaporation rate. Plants also play a significant role in this stage through a process called transpiration. As plants absorb water from the soil, they release excess water vapor into the atmosphere through tiny pores called stomata on their leaves. This moisture then rises, joining the vast atmospheric river of water vapor. Evaporation is the crucial first step in the water cycle, lifting water from the Earth's surface and into the atmosphere. Clouds on high condensation and the transformation of water vapor. As water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it encounters cooler temperatures. This cooling process causes the water vapor to lose energy and slow down, transitioning from a gas back into a liquid state. This process is called condensation. Condensation is visible in our everyday lives, like a cold glass of water on a warm day. In the atmosphere, condensation is responsible for the formation of clouds. As water vapor rises and cools, it condenses around microscopic particles in the air, such as dust, pollen, or salt. These particles act as condensation nuclei, providing a surface for the water vapor to cling to. As more water vapor condenses around these nuclei, the tiny droplets grow larger and combine to form clouds. Clouds serve as reservoirs, holding vast quantities of water vapor and playing a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. Section 4. A return to Earth precipitation in its many forms. When clouds become saturated with water droplets or ice crystals, they release their load back to Earth in the form of precipitation. Precipitation takes on various forms depending on the temperature within the cloud and the conditions closer to the ground. Rain, the most common form, occurs when water droplets within the cloud grow large enough to fall under gravity. Snow forms when temperatures within the cloud are below freezing, creating intricate snowflakes. Sleet forms when raindrops fall through a layer of freezing air near the ground, causing them to freeze into tiny ice pellets. Hail forms within thunderstorm clouds, where strong updrafts repeatedly lift raindrops back into the freezing upper regions of the cloud. Precipitation is a vital link in the water cycle, delivering fresh water back to Earth's surface and sustaining life. Section 5. Gathering water's collection and the replenishment of our planet. Once precipitation reaches the Earth's surface, it begins to accumulate, replenishing various water sources. This stage, known as collection, encompasses the ways water gathers and flows across the landscape. A portion of precipitation infiltrates the ground, seeping through the soil and rocks to replenish groundwater aquifers. These underground reservoirs are essential sources of fresh water for many communities worldwide. The remaining precipitation flows over the surface as runoff, gathering in streams, rivers, and eventually flowing into lakes, oceans, or inland seas. Along the way, it shapes the landscape, carving valleys, eroding mountains, and depositing sediments that form fertile deltas. Understanding the collection stage is crucial for managing water resources effectively. Section 6. A delicate balance, the water cycle, climate, and ecosystems. The water cycle is a fundamental process that influences our planet's climate and sustains life in all its diversity. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales, every living organism depends on the continuous circulation of water. The water cycle plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's temperature. The evaporation of water from oceans and lakes absorbs vast amounts of heat energy from the sun. This heat is then released back into the atmosphere during condensation, influencing weather patterns and global climate. The distribution of precipitation across the globe shapes the diversity of ecosystems. Human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and pollution can disrupt the delicate balance of the water cycle. Understanding the intricate links between the water cycle, climate, and ecosystems is essential for developing sustainable practices. Section 7. Our duty to conserve, protecting the cycle of life. The water cycle is a precious gift, a continuous loop that sustains life on Earth. Therefore, it is our responsibility to protect this vital cycle for generations to come. Conserving water requires a fundamental shift in our mindset and actions. We must recognize that water is a finite resource and its overuse and pollution have far-reaching consequences. By reducing our water consumption, adopting water-efficient technologies, and supporting policies that protect water sources, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. Educating ourselves and future generations about the importance of the water cycle is crucial. By working together, we can ensure that the water cycle continues its endless journey, sustaining life on our planet for generations to come.